Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Mac. Open Terminal and confirm you can run commands. Once done, install Homebrew to manage packages because it simplifies updates and permissions. You type the Homebrew install command, then brew install node to get node. JS and npm, this lets you run JavaScript outside the browser. Make sure the path update's completed. Type node v and npm v to verify versions. If versions print, you're ready to create and run scripts. If not, revisit Homebrew output for clues. You now create a project folder and a file named main.js. This keeps files organized. Once done, open main.js in a text editor, add a console. Log line explaining it's a test and save. Next, change terminal into that folder with cd and run node main.js to execute the JavaScript using node.js. This shows how code executes in a runtime versus a browser. If you see the printed message, node ran correctly. If not, check file path and file extension carefully. You should use an editor like VS Code to edit, run, and debug, because it highlights syntax and integrates terminals. Once ready, run npm in it to create package. JSON and npm install for libraries you need. This helps manage dependencies. When finished, run node or npm scripts to execute. If something fails, check common issues: path misconfiguration, permission errors from Homebrew, or syntax mistakes in code. If nothing prints, add console, log checkpoints, and rerun to isolate the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.